take a minute to notice the sounds you hear around your house every day. Some of them are quiet, like the tick-tock of this clock. Some of them are louder, like the alarm on this clock. Yikes, it's not my real alarm clock. Let's find another one. Here's one of Natalie's toys. Let's see if Shimmer is loud or quiet.
It's Shimmer. You're my best friend.
You know, as far as kids' toys go, I don't think that one's that loud. But this little tiny xylophone over here, that's kind of a loud one. Let's listen to it. Puts out some good sound for such a little thing. How about a quiet sound that you may have heard a lot lately? The sound of a sink running. What are some loud and quiet sounds you hear in your house? Can you think of one that sounds really musical, even if it's not an instrument?